Hello everyone. I have created this CRUD operations app using JSON placeholder APIs in Angular 17 version. I will give you a short demo. I have used Angular 17 latest technologies in this app. Let me give you a short demo first with code, and let me start with the package.json. I have installed three packages in this app. As you can see, ngx toaster for notifications when user update the user, and user update the user, and user add the new user. When user delete it will show the error messages or successful messages. I will give you as well short demo on the UI, and also I installed ng icons, hero icons, and I will show you how can we use this one. Basically this one is used in latest Angular versions, and also I installed Angular Material UI and Tailwind CSS for styling, and I have created a user component. And as you know, there is a much update, there is a lot of updates in Angular 17 version, and you can see if you read Angular 17 version's documentation on the Angular official website, they have updated routes as well, and there is a concept standalone components. As you can see here, we are doing application config, and I have created a user component here, as you can see here, and this one is the user component. And also I created a service in the user component for APIs JSON placeholder. Here you can see get users, get user, delete user, create user, and update user. If you are if you have a knowledge about Angular, then you can easily understand that things, and if you don't have, then you can let me know. I will create the tutorials for Angular, and why we use services, why we have to make a components, what is the difference between components and directives. I will upload new tutorials as well for these topics. And in the user component TS, there you can see, and in it get users, I use subscribe, and there you can see I use toaster for error messages, and this for search. User can search the user, and on name and on email base. And once user delete, I have calling the API, and here I am deleting the user from the list. And for modals, you can see open modal, and I am using material modals here, and here you can see as well messages for complete progress bar. We can create a custom notifications through Tailwind CSS, but I do prefer for toaster because I didn't want much custom code in our app. And open confirmation modal, you can see for search. You can see if I search here Alvin, so you can see it's properly work. Okay, and I will search this one user. Okay, here you can see. And for delete, here you can see if I delete this user, API will be called. Here you can see the notification, and user will delete it. Let me add the new user, and Ahmad @gmail.com 000, and I have created. So user created successfully. Here you can see user as well. Let me update this one. I will add here Ahmad, and I have updated, and user updated successfully. Here you can see the change, and here you can see components, confirmation modal component. I have created this one. So I am using material, as I said before. So if you don't know about these things, you can tell me, and I will make more tutorials for this. And this one is for navbar, and this one is for user modal for edit and create. And here you can see I have used form builder, and if user have already data in edit case, so I am setting the data here, and if user don't have, so it will be empty. And here you can see also I have put the validations. It's validation when user touch, and if don't write, so it will show the error notifications on this. And here is my deployment link, and here is my GitHub link, so you can review the code here as well. Also I have used in these signals, as you can see in the component.ts component. If you don't know about signals, let me know. I will make the tutorials for this one as well. This is very greatest things in the Angular 17 variant, and now this is stable, and there is a lot of more updates related to DOM. We can use change detection, and we can make performance better over application. And this one is a short demo, and if you don't know about some things, and if you don't understand anything about my code, you can tell me and let me know in the comments. I will clear to you, and I will update more tutorials for Angular if you want to learn. Thank you everyone.